Hey there, welcome to Stealth Wealth. In this video, I'm going to share with you some personal finance tips that will help you save money and get out of debt. Whether you're just starting or have been struggling to make ends meet, these tips will help you take control of your finances and get on the right track. So without further ado, be sure to stay till the end to find out the best way to save money. When it comes to financial planning, one of the most important things you can do is to create a budget. A budget can help you track your spending, set goals, and make informed decisions about your money. The process of creating a budget may seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Here are a few steps to get you started. 1. First, take a look at your income and expenses for the month. Make sure to include all sources of income, including salary, investments, and other sources. Then, list out all of your expenses from fixed costs like rent or mortgage payments to variable costs like groceries or entertainment. 2. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, you can start setting goals. What are your short-term and long-term financial goals? How much do you need to save each month to reach those goals? 3. Once you have set some financial goals, you can start making a plan for how to reach them. This may involve cutting back on unnecessary expenses, increasing your income, or both. Whatever approach you take, make sure that your budget is realistic and achievable. Creating a budget can be a helpful way to gain control over your finances and achieve your financial goals. By taking the time to understand your income and expenses, you can make informed decisions about where to allocate your money. So don't delay. Get started on your budget today. One of the most important things you can do for your finances is to keep track of your expenses. By knowing where your money is going, you can make informed choices about your spending and make sure that your hard-earned money is being used in the way you want. There are a few different ways to track your expenses. One option is to create a budget and track your spending against it. This can help you to see where you are overspending and make adjustments to ensure that you are staying within your budget. Another option is to keep a diary of your spending, writing down that you spend each day. This can be helpful to identify any areas where you can cut back on your spending. Whichever method you choose, tracking your expenses is an essential step in managing your finances effectively. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Financial goals are important for anyone who wants to be able to retire comfortably or travel the world. However, setting financial goals is the only first step. You also need to figure out how much money you'll need to save to reach them. For example, if you want to retire at age 60 with a $50,000 annual income, you'll need to have saved up at least $1.25 million by the time you retire. Similarly, if you want to take a trip around the world, you'll need to save up enough money to cover your travel expenses. Luckily, there are plenty of ways to save money and reach your financial goals. It just takes a bit of planning and discipline. By setting financial goals and figuring out how much money you'll need to save, you can make your dreams a reality. Achieving financial security is a goal for many people, but it can be difficult to stay on top of your finances. One way to make it simpler is to automate your finances as much as possible. This means setting up automatic payments for bills and putting money into a savings account on a regular basis. Automating your finances can help you stay on track with your financial goals and avoid missing payments or letting your savings dwindle. In addition, it can help to reduce stress and gives you more peace of mind. If you're looking to get a handle on your finances, automating as much as possible is a great place to start. Anyone can benefit from learning about personal finance, whether you're trying to get a handle on your own finances or you want to learn how to provide financial assistance to others. Personal finance courses can give you the skills you need. What's more, personal finance is an ever-changing field, so it's important to keep up with the latest trends and developments. By taking courses and investing in yourself, you can make sure that you're always ahead of the game. Not only will this give you a better understanding of your personal finances, but it will also help you to provide financial assistance to others. So, if you're looking to improve your financial situation, be sure to invest in yourself by taking courses and learning about personal finance. Be sure to stay until the end to find out the most important factor on how to save money. When it comes to spending, we can all be a little too impulsive at times. It can be hard to resist the urge to splurge on that new designer handbag or those tickets to a sold out concert. However, if you want to stay disciplined with your spending habits, it's important to be mindful with your spending triggers and learn to control your impulses. One way to do this is to wait 24 hours before making any big purchase decisions. This will give you time to really think about whether you need or even want the item. If you're still thinking about it after a day, then chances are it's worth the investment. Another helpful tip is to practice mindfulness when you are out shopping. Pay attention to how you're feeling in the moment and ask yourself if you're spending money out of necessity or simply because you're feeling bored or stressed. If it's the latter, then walk away and find something else to do. With a little effort and self control, you can develop spending habits that are both disciplined and sustainable. Anyone who has ever tried to save money knows that it can be a challenge. It can be tempting to splurge on a new outfit or take an impromptu vacation when you have extra cash in your pocket. But if you're trying to build wealth, it's important to be patient. It takes time to save up for big purchases, and even longer to become wealthy. While there's no magic formula for becoming rich overnight, there are some steps you can take to build wealth over time. One of the most important is to develop spending habits that align with your goals. If you want to become wealthy, you need to start spending less than you earn and investing the difference. While it may not seem like much at first, over time, these small changes can make a big difference in your ability to build wealth. So if you're patient and disciplined, you may just find yourself on the path to riches. One of the most important financial lessons you can learn is to live below your means. This means spending less money than you earn and saving the rest. Living below your means can be difficult, especially if you're used to a certain lifestyle. However, there are many benefits to living this way. For one, it can help you become debt free. When you spend less than you earn, you have extra money to put towards paying off your debts. Additionally, living below your means can help you save for major life expenses, such as a down payment on a house or retirement. Finally, living below your means can give you peace of mind and financial security. When you know that your spending is under control, you can relax and enjoy your life without worrying about money. So, if you want to improve your financial situation, start by learning to live below your means. It may take some time and effort, but it will be worth it in the end. Personal finance is a vital life skill that everyone should learn. By understanding the basics of personal finance, individuals can make better choices with their money and avoid financial problems in the future. While there is no one size fits all approach to personal finance, there are some basic principles that everyone should follow. These include setting financial goals, tracking spending, creating a budget, and staying disciplined with money. By following these simple tips, individuals can take control of their finances and achieve their financial goals. For more tips on getting control of your finances, click on our other videos listed here.